Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the file and loading it into Cliptone. This matters because the plugin behaves predictably with clean inputs. First, import a 24-bit, 48K HZ source so processing has headroom. Once loaded, reduce input gain until the meters sit well below clipping. Doing that prevents irreversible distortion. Next, choose a preset closest to your goal as a starting point. It saves time. Make sure to toggle monitoring, so you hear changes in real time while you adjust. Now you shape and balance the tone by working through the main controls deliberately. Start with the tone or drive knob. Turn it in small increments so you add harmonic warmth without harshness. Once done, engage multiband sections to treat lows, mids, and highs independently. This preserves clarity while adding presence. Make sure to watch LUFS and peak meters and compare before and after levels. If dynamics compress, back off the drive or widen the attack to retain natural feel. To finish, perform a final listen and export with consistent settings so your file integrates seamlessly. A /B test against the original and make tiny adjustments until the tone sits in the mix. Once satisfied, export at the original sample rate and bit depth and apply dither only if you reduce bit depth. If things go wrong, harshness, pumping, or loss of punch, address it by reducing high band drive, easing compression, or adding a subtle low pass. That typically resolves artifacts without losing character.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.